It's carb season, and when you want to keep your health goals in check for the holidays, or any day, you want this Quinoa Harvest Stuffing. Packed with protein and nutrients, but still a great way to get a classic dressing taste with less guilt. It's full of gorgeous color, so it's as pretty as it is delicious. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Peel and cube 16 ounces of sweet potatoes. Drizzle a tablespoon or two of olive oil on a sheet pan and spread it to coat. Add your sweet potatoes and spread them out evenly to roast. Season to your liking. I used a little chipotle powder and some cinnamon for a bit of sweet and smoky. Roast for 21 minutes, making sure to flip every 7 minutes. Make sure you rinse your quinoa first to get off the bitter coating and drain in a strainer. In a large pot, add a tablespoon of olive oil and swirl to coat. Add your onion and your garlic and give it a stir. Allow it to cook for about 3 minutes and then add your celery to cook for about 10 minutes. When the sweet potatoes are done, just turn off the oven and keep them in there until they're needed. I like to use bone broth for this for more protein, but you can certainly add vegetable broth if you're looking to make this a vegetarian option. Add 4 cups of broth and your rinsed quinoa and give it a stir. Add 1½ teaspoons of poultry seasoning and start off with half a teaspoon of salt and taste it when it's done to adjust it. Add some fresh black pepper and bring the mixture to a boil. Then cover it and cook it for about 20 minutes or until most of the liquid is absorbed, and turn off the heat. Add your half cup of dried cranberries and give them a stir and let them sit covered for about 5 minutes to plump up. This is what you're looking for. Then add your roasted sweet potatoes to the mix and give it a stir to incorporate. Look at all that beautiful color. Transfer it to a serving dish to make it all pretty if it's a holiday, and just before serving, top it with the Pepitas or your favorite nuts if you prefer. Quinoa Harvest Stuffing is a healthy, filling side dish that won't leave you feeling gross stuffed over the holidays. Packed with protein and color that will jazz up your plate any time of the year. This freezes beautifully, so it's a great make-ahead dish and easy to customize. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.